We are excited to introduce you to the new Duplin County Schools website. This guide will walk you through the exciting new features and changes we've implemented to enhance your experience. One of the first things you will notice is our new Page Pop feature. This allows us to share important news, announcements, and events with you more effectively. To manage how often you see these pop-ups, you can select Don't Show Again at the bottom of the pop-up, and if you would like to revisit the information later, simply click the bell icon on the left side of the page. To change the website's language, you can select a different language here by choosing this icon. We've made some layout changes to improve navigation. The district homepage and school links are now conveniently located at the top of the page. We've added a section for frequently visited external links on every page, including school pages. This includes quick access to third-party links such as email, PowerSchool, Parent Portal, and NC Ed Cloud. The search icon has been repositioned for easier access. We've also reorganized some of our channels. The Professional Development channel is now located as part of the Staff channel. Quick links remain available and will be updated based upon user need. District site shortcuts at the bottom of the previous website will now be featured here. Here you will find our new icon panel featuring frequently visited links like the calendar and lunch menu, as well as a convenient location for all forms. We have also added quick access to the See Something, Say Something anonymous reporting system to allow users to submit secure and anonymous safety concerns to help identify and intervene upon at-risk individuals before they hurt themselves or others. As you scroll down, you will see a redesigned news and announcement section, an upcoming event section displaying our district calendar, our new district showcase section highlighting important information throughout the school year, and the Learning, Leading, Succeeding section featuring testimonials from various stakeholders throughout our district. School websites follow a similar layout to the district site. We're thrilled about this new platform and the opportunity it provides to showcase the fantastic learning taking place in Duplin County schools. We hope you find these changes beneficial and user-friendly.